Today, papakita ko sa inyo ang exact na commerce onboarding journey, yung same na gagamitin ng mga customers at client mo. Hey, kamusta? Si Erin to from Ecom Mastery. Magsisimula tayo sa fulfillment application, move into the starters, Discord, and sourcing workflow, then look at the higher volume setup for established stores. At sa huli, papaliwanag ko kung paano lahat to connected sa pag-build ng AI-optimized store mo sa loob ng Commercive. So your store doesn't just exist, it actually learns, improves, and scales with you. Let's dive in. Awesome! Ang una mong gagawin, pupunta ka sa Commercive Fulfillment Application page. You'll see a simple message at the top saying, "Please fill out our product information below." Hello at isa sa mga fulfillment agents nila. Makikipag-ugnayan sa'yo agad with a code at mga next steps. So, ito ang page na sisimulan ng every client. Kahit brand new ka pa lang o nag-ship ka ng thousands of orders, click mo lang yung start tapos gagabayan ka papunta sa form. Lahat ng to less than a minute lang tapusin pero itong short step na to ang magpupush sa buong back-end mo. Una, hihingin sa'yo yung name mo, email, and WhatsApp number. Simple lang tong mga fields na to but don't breeze through them too fast kasi dito nakadepende kung paano makaka-communicate sa Commerce Bank team. Pagkatapos mo ilagay yung pangalan ng email mo, i-double check mo yung WhatsApp number mo. This is going to be how the fulfillment team reaches out to you directly. No waiting on generic ticket systems or long email chains. Pag napuno mo na yun, click mo lang yung next. Dito magsisimula yung pagtayo ng contact channel mo mula ngayon. The process becomes personalized. Makakausap mo talaga yung totoong tao, hindi bot. Yung next section, nakatitle na Daily Average Order Volume. You'll see a drop-down with multiple ranges from none. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang 0 to 9 orders per day, 10 to 50, 50 to 100, at higher ranges pa. Kung established ka na, piniin mo na yung option na pinaka-akma sa current na situation mo. If you're new, select none or 0 to 9 orders per day. That tells Commercive to start you in their beginner workflow. Pero kung nag-scale ka na at consistently napupuno yung daily orders mo, piliin mo yung higher tier. This question isn't about status, it's about efficiency. Choosing honestly ensures you to get matched with the right tools, automations, and human support for your actual needs. Gusto ko munang huminto sa step na to saglit kasi parang simple lang yung dropdown pero sobrang powerful nito. Pag pinili mo yung daily order range mo, hindi ka lang basta nag-fill out ng form, you're mapping your business size to the right infrastructure. If you're really on in your journey, Commercive keeps things simple and hands-on. Pero kung nag-handle ka ng 50 o higit pang orders per day, automatic ka na nitong nire-route sa mas advanced na tools, faster fulfillment, more automation, and specialized support. Kaya piliin mo yung option na talaga namang nagre-reflect sa reality mo ngayon. Para pag ginawa ng system yung dashboard mo, yun yung version na swak talaga sa workflow mo, hindi sa iba. Now let's look at what happens if you choose a low order range. Halimbawa, 0 to 9 orders per day. Pag na-hit mo na yung submit, lalabas agad yung bagong screen na nagsasabing perfect fit ka para sa Commercive starters. Discord, what you're gonna do is click the unlock free trial button right below that message. Dito agad makikita mong ma-activate ang 7-day free trial mo sa Commercive starters. Discord, a community designed for new sellers who want to start sourcing products at testing fulfillment nang hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking commitment. Pwede mong i-click yung link sa baba at dadalhin ka na to sa free trial. Ngayon, yung free trial na to, bibigyan ka ng access sa lahat ng essential tools that you need to get started. At pinakamahalaga, direct communication sa Commercive sourcing team. Pag na-unlock mo na yung trial, mapupunta ka sa Commercive Discord workspace. Dito titignan mo yung sidebar at i-click mo yung channel na may label na #supplier. Ito na yung bagong sourcing command center mo. Dito ka pwedeng mag-request ng quotes, find suppliers, and talk directly with Commercive team. Para makapagsimula, i-click mo na yung create a ticket sa ilalim that creates a private conversation thread between you and Commercive. Sourcing specialist. Sa loob ng ticket na to, pwede mong i-paste yung AliExpress product link, upload an image of the product you wanna source, or simply type out a short description. Kung nagbe-brainstorm ka pa lang ng ideas, pag nasubmit mo, sasagot agad ang Commercive team sa loob ng 24 to 48 hours na may quote, estimated shipping times, and fulfillment options. At lahat to nasa parehong ticket thread lang. Organized na lahat. Walang confusion, walang clutter, and you can open multiple tickets for different products. At bawat isa, may sarili nitong conversation history. Kaya madali mong mako-compare yung prices or revisions later. Itong isang live example. May seller na nag-drop ng product link at sa loob ng 24 hours, sumagot ang Commercive team na may detailed pricing, estimated delivery times, and packaging options. If you need to adjust quantities, humingi ng custom logos, or i-compare yung iba't ibang variants, magagawa mo to directly sa thread. Bibigyan ka nito ng full control habang mabilis pa rin yung communication. At dahil lahat ay time-stamped and centralized, lagi mong malalaman kung nasaan ang bawat product sa sourcing pipeline mo. I love this approach because it fixes one of the biggest pain points in e-commerce, yung scattered communication. Kung nasubukan mo nang ma-juggle ang multiple suppliers sa WhatsApp, AliExpress at email, alam mo kung gaano ka-chaotic yun. Pinapawala ng Discord yung chaos na to, kaya bawat product, bawat question, bawat code, nakasave sa isang thread lang. You can scroll back months later and still find every detail, and because Commercive uses Discord's real-time environment, pwede mo talagang i-treat yung sourcing mo parang chat lang sa teammate. Mabilis, organized, at ginawa para sa modern sellers. Ngayon, mag-switch tayo at tignan natin yung workflow para sa established brands. Kung nag-handle ka ng mga 50 to 100 orders per day, you'll select that range when filling out the application. Once you do, new fields appear asking you to choose your service type. Pwede mong piliin mula sa dropshipping, China 3PL, USA 3PL, bulk manufacturing, TikTok shop, Amazon FBA, or other. This steps tells Commercive exactly how you run your back end. Para ma-align nila yung tamang warehouse and shipping strategy sa business model mo, sa ilalim nun makikita mo yung box na nagtatanong para sa product link or website URL. I-paste mo yung URL ng store mo o yung page ng best-selling product mo that gives Commercive's fulfillment team a clear idea of what you're selling. At kung paano to nakaposition, what kind of logistics will fit you best. Pag na-fill out na to, i-click mo yung submit. Pagtapos mong i-submit, makikita mo agad yung confirmation message. Sasabihin ng message na to, application received. Kaya isa sa mga team members nila ang magme-message sa'yo sa WhatsApp sa loob ng 24 to 48 hours para pag-usapan yung next steps. Ito na yung green light mo. Natanggap na yung application mo and direct kang kukontakin ng specialist. From here, your onboarding moves from form to conversation. Sa loob ng 1-2 araw, makakatanggap ka ng WhatsApp message mula sa Commercive Fulfillment Team. Tatanungin ka nila ng mga details like your target countries, your product links, and your current supplier costs. If you have them, this helps them create a custom quote, one that reflects your actual business operations, hindi yung pangkaraniwan lang na template. Ipapaliwanag din nila kung paano gumagana yung integration, paano nila sinisync yung Shopify or TikTok store mo, nag-track ng orders, manage fulfillment automatically once you are live. Yung human follow-up na to, ang nagpaparamdam na super professional yung onboarding process. Kasi hindi ka lang basta nagsasign up para sa tool, may totoong team ka na nasa likod mo. Dito na nagtatie-in lahat sa AI Store Builder side ng Commercive. Lahat ng data, nakakalagay mo lang your product categories, fulfillment choices, sourcing tickets becomes the starting data set for Commercive's AI. Pag lumipat ka sa stored building stage, the same information guides you how your site is structured. Kaya imbes na magsimula ka from scratch gamit yung blank template, nagbibuild ka sa ibabaw ng tunay na operational data. That's how Commercive's AI helps your store make smarter decisions. Naiintindihan na nito kung anong binibenta mo, paano mo fulfill, at kung anong pinakamahalaga sa business mo. Ang ibig sabihin talaga ng AI optimized, kapag sinabing AI optimized store, hindi lang yung store nagbibuild by itself ang tinutukoy. We're talking about a store that learns the system is tracking what's working, which products get the most clicks, which descriptions convert best, where customers bounce, and even how fast your order gets delivered. Ginagamit lahat ng data na to para i-fine-tune kung anong gumagana sa storefront mo. From product recommendations to page layouts, kaya mas gumaganda yung performance over time. Hindi na kailangan i-rebuild lahat manually. The AI keeps refining while you focus on creating, marketing, and scaling. Bakit iba yung AI at human support? At dito na sa stand out ang Commercive. Hindi ka pinipilit pumili sa pagitan ng automation at totoong support. Pareho mong makukuha to. Ang AI ang nagmamanage ng data at optimization habang yung human fulfillment team ang nag-aasikaso ng logistics, quality control, and communication. Together, it forms a complete ecosystem that lets you scale a professional brand and not just a storefront. Quick recap. Natutunan mo kung paano magsimula gamit ang Commercive Fulfillment application. Pag-enter mo ng pangalan, email, WhatsApp number, pinili mo yung daily average order volume mo na nagdedirect sa'yo sa Starters Discord o sa higher volume service options. Kung bago ka, nakita mo kung paano i-unlock ang 7-day free trial mo, you can click the link in the description to bring you to their website, join Discord, go to #supplier and create a ticket. Pagtapos, i-paste mo yung AliExpress link mo o mag-upload ng product image para makakuha ka ng reply sa loob ng 24 to 48 hours. If you are scaling, pinili mo yung service tulad ng dropshipping, China or USA 3PL, or bulk manufacturing, i-paste mo yung product o site link mo, i-click ang submit, and saw application received confirmation. Kasama yung WhatsApp follow-up sa loob ng 24 to 48 hours, bawat bahagi ng proseso na to ay nag-feed ng data sa future AI store builder mo para makagawa ng store. That's structured by your actual business behavior, not guesswork. Ito na yung buong totoong workflow exactly kung paano to lumalabas sa commercive screen. Use this process to get your back-end right. So your AI-optimized store has a rock-solid foundation from day one. I-click mo yung link sa description para makapagsimula sa application mo. Ako nga pala si Erin mula sa Ecom Mastery at magkikita tayo sa susunod na tutorial.